What's going on, stackers? So in this video we're going to be taking a look at my KDP income report for the month of January. Now this is also part of a playlist, and if you want to check out that playlist you can check it out right there in the right hand corner. Also, if you're new here, my name's Paddy, and every other day I like to bring out videos teaching you how to make money with nothing more than your internet connection and your laptop. So go hit subscribe and hit that little bell icon so you can be notified for any further videos. Also, if you're serious about low and no content book publishing, then check out that link in the description below to go to the LCB Vault. Within here I add brand new trainings every single week on everything I'm doing to increase my royalties. You can also get there by going to the lcbvault.com. So, like I said, this video is actually part of a playlist. We have enough videos in the playlist now for all of last year. We're now running into the new year, and this one's going to be for January. So, in the month of December, I did $8,720. That was the previous video in this playlist. So let's change this to January. January was nothing like December, and that's what I thought was going to happen anyway. So let that load up for a second. So in December I did over 8,000, and then in January I only did 1,500. $1,539.69 to be exact. So let's just go ahead and refresh the page for a minute. Now, January, I did expect it to be a lot slower than December because obviously that was Q4 and there was a lot of Christmas sales going on. And in the month of January, I don't really have many books that really take off. Now that's loaded again. And also in January, if we look here, there was a couple of really low days because Amazon had a massive problem with reporting issues. But then they solved that problem and put in all the extra sales that we had on the 22nd, and it looks like on the 30th as well. So let's take a look at this. So my lowest day, January the 1st, it looks like I only sold one book. And then right here with those reporting issues as well, I only made $5 there, $7 there. On my best day was $163. And also 176. Again, it's because Amazon was fixing reporting issues and they put all those previous sales in one lump sum. Now, if we go to units sold, let that load up, we can see here I only sold 3 because of those reporting issues, 4 there, and on the first I only sold 2. And then right up here, 87 and 80. See, the thing is with online business, any business in general, you're going to have your ups where you make a lot of money, and then you're going to have your downs where you don't make much at all. Now, 1,500 is still a lot of money. I'm still really happy with that, but it's nowhere near my previous sales. Now, in the month of February, this month already, I've already blew past that because I had a couple of Valentine's Day books really take off. Now, if we keep scrolling down, and let's go to here, we can see my earnings per or by marketplace. So Amazon.com, I sold over 60%. Here in the UK, over 28%, 10% in Canada, and a little bit on other marketplaces. So right now we can see altogether for the month of January, I sold 728 units, which made me that $1,539. Now, this isn't all profit because, again, I was running ads. My ad spend was really low compared to previous months because I pulled back my advertising because I was actually in the process of trying other things and I wanted to use my money on other things and not all on ads. So this one, my best-selling book for January, I sold 97 units. This is my best-selling book to date within the guest book niche. Then I sold 94 units of this, and this is just a Valentine's Day notebook. Nothing special, just had a funny quote on that, and that made me $231. Then I sold 46 of this one, 61 of that one, and made $120 on that book, 87 on this, and these are two of my kids' low content books. My kids' low content book sales have gone down a lot compared to where they were over Christmas. This one I sold 49 units, made $76. This is for teacher appreciation. And then right here, 18 of that one, made $43, which is in the Valentine's Day niche. 20 units of that and made $38, and this is a composition notebook. So if we scroll back up, 1,500. So again, that's not all profit. So let's go over to my Amazon advertising accounts for the US and the UK and deduct my ad spend. So let that load up for a second. So in January, that was December. January, you can see that I wasn't spending much at all. I only spent $159.70 and only made $157.77. So I actually lost money on my ad spend in the month of January on Amazon.com. I was trying a few different things and I really dropped my ad spend as well. And what I was trying wasn't really working. So let's go over to amazon.co.uk. Now, at the time of recording this, I have started running more ads here in the UK. None on the US platform, only here in the UK. And we can see in January, so this is January, I spent £118.20. So if we go over to a converter, plug that in there, that's roughly around $154. So let's go back over. So right here, I've got $159. No, hold on. $159.70. Add that $154.04 equals around $313 in ad spend. So if we go back over to January income report, pull up that calculator and deduct it. So we're going to do 1539.69, take away that 313.74 equals 1,200. So let me just get rid of that one. $1,225.95 is my profit for the month of January. Again, nothing compared to what I was doing in October, November, December, because we're now in quarter one. Quarter four sales have gone, and I don't have many books that sell well in January. Happy with this. It could have been better, but it could have been worse. Now, the month of February has already done a hell of a lot better than that, or this, and you'll see that next month in the next income report, because I'm all caught up now with these income reports from the beginning of last year. And again, if you want to watch any of them, click there in the right hand corner to go through and watch the playlist. Now, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Also, go hit subscribe and hit that little bell icon so you can be notified for any further videos. That being said, I've been Paddy, this has been Stacking Profit, and I'll see you again soon.